Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I posted a few videos so far, but I got a brand new camera, got a brand new beautiful backdrop for the fall. Today I'm going to be showing you my craft room. I have a whole entire room dedicated to diamond painting, sewing, quilting, drawing, painting, all kinds of stuff. So I'm excited that you're here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future. Thanks for coming along, and let's get straight into the video. Okay, so when you first walk into the door, you'll see I have some diamond paintings hanging up. When we walk in some more, behind the door we have an ironing board and some cutting mats for quilting. And then this is one of my favorite things in this room, is my Gutermann thread. This thread holder I bought from Walmart, and then this one my dad actually built me. And then I have a mirror. Hi guys. And then I have a 3 cubed organizer. The first thing has office things, some jelly rolls, and some leftover batting. And then I also have the internet in here, the router. Then up here we got some more diamond paintings. These are both from Michaels. And then I have a quilt that I got from the hospital when my dad passed away. This is his handprint. I have a quilt that I made. I have 2 quilts for our bed. So the one that's waiting to be used is hung up on my quilt ladder that I built. Then I have a sloth. Then over here I have a diamond painting waiting to be worked on. It was too big to fit into my storage, so I just hung it up for now. And this is my work area, so you can see my work in progress. It's a Walking Dead custom. So slowly but surely getting there. Let's see, and then what else? Oh yeah, then I also have my organizer for the one I'm working on. And then this I'll be showing you later. It's going to be for my dad's picture of my dad, I should say. And I'm going to organize it. And then over here we have this black organizer from Walmart. And we also have a chair. This has a really nice light for my quilting. I also have my printer, all my quilting stuff that I need, and my AccuQuilt Go. It's a fabric cutting system. These are hospice quilts that I'm working on. They're little lap blankets. Down there I have some scraps, and then you can see all my cords. So there's that. Let's see. Oh yeah, I also have another diamond painting. This is a piggy. I think I got this from Walmart. I'll go back to my other ones. So those are both from Michaels. This one's going to be a Lilo and Stitch from AliExpress. This one's from Michaels. This was my first one ever. And this one was from Amazon. So over here, this is what you saw earlier in the video. This is my backdrop. So it lights up right here. When you open up the door, it's a mess in here. I'm still unpacking. You can turn them on. So I have 2 more diamond paintings up here. Another black cat I got from Amazon, and this one I believe I got from Amazon or AliExpress. This one's a partial and that's a full. And then we get over here, this whole blue tub is just yarn. I also have that is just full of yarn, this blue one right there. And then this is all fabric. This is a quilt I'm working on, and then that is batting for a quilt I will be working on. This has a quilt that needs to be done. The top's done, and I need to get batting and backing. I just haven't done it yet. Right here is my camera stuff. Down here is some sketchbooks, thread, and some miscellaneous fabric. And then down here I got all my drawing and painting supplies, and then I have my beautiful sewing machine. We'll do a video one day of her. She's a beauty. I have a few sewing machines. I also have another sewing machine. This is just a basic Singer. All my cords, some fabric, thread holder, my Singer serger, more fabric. Like I showed you in my last video, this is where all my diamond painting stuff is, most of it. Some boxes full of elastic and sewing supplies, and a mini iron. We have some books, and I think a box full of colored pencils, because I have Stress Away colored books, coloring books. Thing full of Sharpies. Like I said, this is full of yarn. This is scrapbooking. These are all my manuals for all my sewing machines, and then these are scrapbooking pages I have done for our wedding album. Then we have over here my go-to sewing area. So I have all my rulers. I have cutting mats down here, and then I have my cutting blades and my sewing basket and my big iron and my little ironing board. And then here, some sewing things. Showed you before, but here is my diamond painting stuff. This is one I have hanging. It's a square painting, but like you can see there's one missing. There's another missing and another and another. There was one missing yesterday, and by the time I took it down, 3 more came out. So I was like, oh. Then I have a few that are in here ready to go. And then I just organized, that's the stitch painting. That is hanging up. And I organized that. The other day, down here, lo and behold, more fabric. So right here is my custom of my dad. Let's see if I can get a clear picture of this. I have it hanging because I already flattened it out, and it's so big. It's a 80 by 60. So I was letting it stay hung so it doesn't like get all messed up again. And then I have more diamond paintings. So right here is an elephant. I got this from Amazon. This is a full square Eeyore. This was my first square painting ever. It's very cute. Where did I get you? I believe AliExpress. This one I got from Amazon. It's usually Amazon or AliExpress. I haven't used Wish yet. This is a partial. I did this in like a day. It's really cute. I love pandas. And then I did the skull. This was my most recent, I believe. It's a tiny one and it's round. So currently I'm working on this one and a panda, another panda, but it's a full square. That's in my room. But look at all these 310s because it has, like I'm on this part right here, so I have a lot to do. There's like 16,000 310s, so slowly but surely. So here is my room. Closet is full of boxes. I'm still unpacking as I go. And then this side has a water heater, and there's my tripod. So just kind of give you a 360 view of everything. We just moved here end of August, so I'm still setting things up the way I want it. But so far I like it. I like having this little area back here, and slowly but surely it's becoming home. So thank you guys, and I'll see you next time. If you like this video, like and subscribe it. Hopefully I'll get another video out this week about organizing that big painting